In this video, I'm going to share how to get that aesthetic clock on your MacBook Screensaver using Fliqlo. First, open up your browser and head over to fliqlo.com. Once you're there, just click on the image shown on the screen. Scroll down a bit to download the latest version of Fliqlo. Just a heads up, the note here says the latest version of this app only supports macOS Sonoma or later. Once the download is finished, you'll get a file named fliqlo.dmg. Double-click that file to open it up. Inside, you'll see a file called fliqlo.saver. Now, there are actually two ways to install this. Method 1. Simply double-click on the file. It'll ask if you want to install for the current user or all users. I'll stick with the current user, so just hit the install button. After clicking Install, it automatically opens up the wallpaper settings in your system settings. From here, click on Screensaver. Scroll all the way down to the Other section, and you'll see the Fliqlo Screensaver right there. Select it. You can hit Preview to check it out, then just click Done and you're all set. Now, if you don't want to use the double-click method, basically the installation is just moving a file manually. Right-click on the fliqlo.saver file and hit Copy. Next, open up Finder. Navigate to your Home folder. In your Home folder, look for the Library folder. If you don't see the Library folder, just press the keys Command-J to open the view options. In there, check the box for Show Library folder. Now, go into the Library folder. Look for the folder named Screensavers and simply paste the fliqlo.saver file right in there. Easy, right? Once you're done, you can select the installer disk drive icon on your desktop and press Command-E to eject it, then delete the installation file. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.